Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which of the following is polyatomic? Your right answer is sulfur. Option B. According to Rutherford atomic model, the electrons revolve around the nucleus in dash path. Your right answer is circular path. Option C. Based on the periodic tables for ionization energy, which element has the highest ionization energy? Your right answer is helium. Option A. Nuclear explosive device were tested in India at. Your right answer is Pokhran. Option B. Which of the following fraction is a terminating decimal? Your right answer is 5/8. Option B. Which of these is not a dairy product? Your right answer is Gaur. Option B. Which of the following is not a cereal? Your right answer is mustard. Option A. Which of the following organization launched a special program called Young Scientist Program? Your right answer is ISRO. Option A. Which of the following country has awarded Narendra Modi with the Order of St. Andrew the Apostle? Your right answer is Russia. Option D. Which of the following is acidic in nature? Your right answer is all of the option. Option D. Which antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928? Your right answer is penicillin. Option A. India ranked as in startup ecosystem ranking for 2019. Your right answer is 17. Option B. What is the color of base? Your right answer is pink with phenolphthalein and yellow with methyl orange. Option B. The Indian economy can be most appropriately described as a dash economy. Your right answer is mixed economy. Option B. When was the National Development Council of India set up? Your right answer is 1952. Option C. Which of the following pollutant is the major contributor to photochemical smog? Your right answer is ozone. Option A. Which of these is not a term used in tennis? Your right answer is slam dunk. Option A. Dash is an oil yielding plant. Your right answer is groundnut. Option C. Dash is an important metal to form amalgam. Your right answer is mercury. Option B. The product of four consecutive numbers is always divisible by which of the following numbers? Your right answer is 24. Option C. The deficiency of dash causes scurvy disease. Your right answer is vitamin C. Option C. Which of the following fatty acid does not form soap? Your right answer is butyric acid. Option C. In which part of the body is cornea and retina found? Your right answer is eye. Option B. Protein are an integral part of. Your right answer is all of the option. Option B. What substance is stored and concentrated in the gallbladder? Your right answer is bile. Option D. When were 2019 Special Olympic World Summer Games inaugurated? Your right answer is 14th March 2019. Option B. Which of the following is a non-metal? Your right answer is nitrogen. Option D. The part of the muscles which shorten to create contraction is your right answer is actin. Option D. Which of these is not an infectious disease? Your right answer is diabetes. Option D. The IUPAC name of the compound CH3, CH2, CH3 is, your right answer is propane. Option A. The green color of leaves is due to, your right answer is chlorophyll. Option C. With which of the following is Fed Cup associated? Your right answer is women's tennis. Option A. Which disease causes excess swelling of the legs? Your right answer is elephantiasis. Option D. What is the SI unit of weight? Your right answer is Newton. Option D. The number of dash is equal to difference between mass number of an atom and numbers. Your right answer is neutrons. Option C. Tuberculosis is a disease of the dash. Your right answer is lungs. Option A. Which device converts sound wave to electrical signal? Your right answer is microphone. Option A. Which of the following color of white light has the maximum wavelength? Your right answer is red color. Option C. Who succeeded Rajendra Prasad as the President of India? Your right answer is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Option A. INS Vikramaditya is a, your right answer is aircraft carrier. Option A. Which of the following gases is used as reference to calculate global warming potential? Your right answer is carbon dioxide. Option A. Which is India's easternmost state? Your right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Option A. With which of the following games is the Bandodkar Gold Trophy associated? Your right answer is football. Option C. Which of the following is not a physical change? Your right answer is fermentation of substances. Option C. What is the physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius? Your right answer is gas. Option D. Mrinal Sen, who passed away on 30 December 2018, was an eminent personality in the field of, your right answer is film industry. Option D. With which of the following movement is the slogan do or die associated? Your right answer is Quit India movement. Option D. Mouth and foot diseases in cattle are caused due to, your right answer is virus. Option C. What is the speed of light in air? Your right answer is 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. Option C. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.